pot of melted cheese, pure comfort food. And let's not forget about chocolate. Swiss chocolate is world-renowned for a reason. Each bite melts in your mouth, and visiting a chocolate factory is a must. You'll learn about the art of chocolate making and, of course, get to sample some delicious treats. Switzerland is also home to some of the most picturesque cities in Europe. Take Zurich, for example. It's a vibrant city with a rich cultural scene, stunning architecture, and a beautiful lake. Strolling along the Limmat River, you'll find charming cafes, boutique shops, and art galleries. Then there's Lucerne, with its iconic chapel bridge and stunning views of the surrounding mountains. It's a city that perfectly blends history with modernity. And let's not overlook the efficient public transport system. Trains in Switzerland are not just a means of getting from point A to B, they're an experience in themselves. The scenic train rides offer panoramic views of the countryside, making the journey just as enjoyable as the destination. The Glacier Express, for instance, takes you through some of the most stunning landscapes in the world, connecting Zermatt and St. Moritz. Switzerland is also a melting pot of cultures. With 4 official languages, German, French, Italian, and Romansh, you'll find a rich tapestry of traditions and customs. Each region has its own unique charm and culinary specialties. It's fascinating to see how the culture shifts as you travel from one part of the country to another. Safety and cleanliness are also hallmarks of Switzerland. It's one of the safest countries in the world, and you can wander through its cities and towns with peace of mind. The streets are impeccably clean, and the public spaces are well maintained, making it a pleasure to explore. Lastly, the Swiss are known for their hospitality. The warmth and friendliness of the locals make you feel welcome, whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet mountain village. They take pride in their country and are always eager to share their love for Switzerland with visitors. So, if you're looking for a destination that offers stunning natural beauty, rich culture, delicious food, and a sense of safety and hospitality, Switzerland should be at the top of your list. It's a place that leaves a lasting impression, and I can guarantee that once you visit, you'll want to return again and again.